Apply for scholarships with Buddy4Study. Learn how it works, scholarship amounts, and how to stay safe from fraud before you apply. Dose. Buddy4Study never charges application or processing fees and does not have agents promising guaranteed scholarships. Official communication happens only through verified email IDs and phone numbers. Applications are accepted through verified Aadhaar, and documents are securely stored. Never share personal information like OTP, Aadhaar details, or bank details with unknown people. If you find anything suspicious, report it immediately to reportfraud@buddy4study.com. How scholarship amounts are determined. Depends on the program and institution offering it. Based on academic performance and financial condition. Varies by the student's circumstances and merit. 1. Merit-based scholarships. Awarded for outstanding academic, sports, arts, or talent achievements requiring high marks or achievements. 2. Need-based scholarships. Support students from financially weaker sections considering income, expenses, and education costs. Yes, you can apply for multiple scholarships if eligible, but usually only one scholarship can be received at a time. Types of scholarships. Includes academic, merit-based, need-based, sports, and special category scholarships. Scholarship eligibility criteria. Based on qualifications, income, merit, and category. Includes domicile, gender, and talents or sports achievements. Eligibility varies by scholarship type and provider. 1. Register on Buddy4Study website. Complete your profile and get personalized scholarship recommendations and alerts. 2. Check your application status by logging in and viewing your applied scholarships. See approval, review, or rejection updates online anytime. International scholarships are offered by many universities and global organizations to Indian students. Apply carefully, stay safe from fraud, and choose the right scholarships. Like, share, and subscribe for updates.